PlantIn app review 2025 pros and cons, authentic and genuine. PlantIn is one of the top plant care apps in 2025, perfect for both beginners and dedicated plant enthusiasts looking to keep their plants healthy and thriving. Its standout features an advanced plant identification system powered by machine learning that can recognize over 24,000 species from a photo, along with instant tips for care. The app offers a digital plant journal, detailed care reminders, and watering schedules customized based on pot size, soil type, light exposure, and temperature. It also includes a light meter that uses your phone's camera to find the best spot for your plants. Additional features include a plant doctor for diagnosing pests and diseases, and access to real botanists for expert advice through chat. Strengths of the app include a clean, user-friendly design, excellent organization tools, and smart personalized notifications that help users maintain consistent plant care. On the downside, unlimited plant entries and advanced care plans require a subscription with frequent upgrade prompts. The plant ID is generally accurate but not flawless. Still, it's reliable enough to provide useful guidance. Subscribe.